So let's look at marketing headlines. These are secondary statements. They can be used anywhere where you need to target a different group of people. So we have the broad one, and now we can now create secondary statements. We can create different headlines for different client groups on different parts of our website for different marketing material. So now they become marketing headlines rather than the mission statement, because now we're using them in our secondary level. The mission statement is the primary message. The marketing headlines now uses exactly the same principle, but now you can put it on your blog. I remember consulting with someone, and they had 3 groups of people they wanted to reach. They had users that wanted free content. They had a set of customers that progressed beyond that and they needed paid assistance. And then this company also then had a group of potential suppliers of training for the middle group. She said, I want to reach all 3. How do I make a marketing mission statement for them? So what we advised was this. Create your marketing mission statement that communicates exactly what it is you do, what type of resource you are. But then you've got 3 different client groups. So we can do 3 different landing pages, either blog posts or just general landing pages, that you can create a marketing mission statement for each group. So you can start broad, and then you can start to drill down with content on specific pages for specific groups of clients. Do you see how it works? So once we understand this, now we can start drilling down and using it in even more powerful ways. So you can create different statements for different products on different pages. So you're not limited by your marketing mission statement, but rather than you've got different landing pages. Now, what people don't understand oftentimes about website design is your home page is not always your landing page. A blog post can be a landing page. A product page can be a landing page. That's the place where someone lands. So creating a marketing mission statement on your most prominent services and pages can really help people to understand what it is they've just landed on. And that can then keep them there. So different landing pages can have different statements. Blog posts can be landing pages, like we've just said, and products and services can also be landing pages.